Okay, what we demonstrated last time is that with this 9-volt battery, we wanted to cut on this little LED light bulb, so we connected all the negative power to the cathode, and anodes get positive power. This battery was a little too much for this light bulb, so we added a resistor that kind of slowed down the power, and if you cut on start simulation, it cuts on. Now the question is, how do you run more than one light bulb? So you definitely need more than one resistor. And that's where a breadboard comes in. It allows us to run many more systems. So we want to run a light bulb. So let's take these wires off. We don't need these anymore. So we'll delete these. We'll keep the light and the battery. Now, on the breadboard, there is an invisible wire that connects all of these dots together. So once you connect one, you connected them all to the same wire. And the same thing with this. It connects, all these are connected by the same wire. And these little green circles kind of demonstrate that there's a wire running underneath. Now, these over here are connected by a wire vertically. They start here, but they stop at the top. Again, this number 2 starts here, but the wire stops at the top. Here, it has its own wire, starts at the bottom of this one, and stops at the top. So all of these, again, are connected by a wire underneath. So I want to take my battery here. Let's turn my battery around a little bit. Oops, too much. All right, and I'm going to connect a red wire to this one right here. So positive power to this one, and I'm going to make the wire red. So they'll have to be positive power. So not only is this positive power, but all of these now are positive power. It's just like running a big wire underneath. Okay, let's run negative power to this one right here. We'll make it red, or black, should I say. And now all of these have negative power. So you can run more than one thing. So let's take our light bulb. Let's delete that wire. We don't need that wire. Let's grab our light bulb. And we're going to put the anode and cathode right here on these two right here. So to give this anode right here positive power, we're going to need a wire from the positive part to start here and to go right there. We're going to make it red. And that lets us know that there's positive power going from this spot right here to this spot right here, but there's a wire underneath that will carry it all the way to the anode. Now, we want, since there's a gap between here and here, we're going to put the resistor in the gap for the negative power. So the negative power is traveling from here, underneath the wire goes all the way to here, and then it goes up to this spot right here. So the negative power is now going through the resistor, and then the wire underneath takes it all the way to the cathode. So this light is ready. So we start simulation. And there it is, it's on. Now, what if we wanted the light in another location? Let's stop the simulation, and let's get another light, another LED. And let's put it a little higher. Let's put it in this area right here. Okay, so how do we get power up to the light here? Let's change the color to green. Okay, so we want to give it positive power. So we get a wire from here. And it will plug it into this one right here. And the wire underneath will take the power all the way to this spot, but it won't take it to this spot. So between here and here, we need another red wire to connect that. So I'm going to connect a red wire from here to here. And so now we got power that is now traveling from here to here, and then from here to here. So he has. Now, we have choices with the resistor. We can put the resistor either right here or right in between. So I'm going to put it right in between just to be different. Okay. So we need a black wire. Let's see, to go from here to here. And now we have power going all the way up here. Let's turn it on and see. And now we got red and green. Okay, now I want you to create more lights here of different colors. Some down here and some up here.